guys, for this drawing mark 1 to 10 box and 1 to 10 box downside, right side and downside, like horizontal and vertical. Use a small ruler and a marker. Mark 1 to 10 box 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 9 10. The same 10 to horizontal. I'll leave one to show the one more to downside. 10 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Mark center of box outside, like 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5, all sides. So guys, there is a part, focus on this first line, center to first, center to first box end, like that. Second to second, third to third, fourth to fourth, sorry, and fifth to fifth. Draw all through this process. Now guys, after complete four side of this drawing, now draw center to center line, like complete of plus shape, vertical line of now horizontal line. Same here, you draw first to second, sorry, first to first, like second to second, third to third line, fourth to fourth, fifth to fifth. Now complete all three sides remaining. Now guys, just follow me to fill this. Okay guys, hope you like this tutorial and easy to draw. Please give one like to this video and comment below for next tutorial drawing. If subscribe if you can't yet. Thank you very much guys.